Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best snorkeling goggle that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Aquasphere Seal 2.0 Snorkeling Goggles. Available in a spectacular range of color options, the Aquasphere 2.0 Snorkeling Goggles are as durable as they are attractive. Coming in as our number 1 go-to pair of swimming eyewear, this model gets our thumbs up for entering the market at a competitive price while sticking to its guns and delivering quality gear that is suitable for amateur and professional snorkelers alike. Designed using surgical-grade silicone and curved lens technology that offers crystal-clear 180 degrees panoramic vision, the Seal 2.0's guarantee a tight yet comfortable fit. And while one of the most frustrating things about a pair of goggles is often the unyielding adjustable straps, we can confidently announce that Aquasphere has introduced a convenient streamlined buckle that allows for a more precise adjustment. Make sure you also check our guide to the best snorkel masks for more great product like this. Moving on at number 4, we have the Speedo Adult Recreational Dive Mask. An ideal candidate for most water sports, Speedo's adult mask sticks to a traditional design. Two standout features of this model are the soft silicone material and the trademarked SpeedFit head strap system. These two elements allow the frame to hug your face without snagging loose hair or falling off with more abrasive movements, all while keeping a tight seal so that not even a trickle of water enters. Like most Speedo products, the adult recreational mask boasts longevity and performance you can count on. The price tag isn't too bad either. Complete with polycarbonate focal lenses that provide awesome lucidity underwater and a layer of anti-fog coating, you'll be able to focus on your sport or simply enjoy a recreational snorkel as you spot the most beautiful ocean treasures. You can combine these with Speedo swimming trunks from our list. At number 3, we have the Whale Antifog Diving Mask. Looking for a whale of a time? The Whale Antifog Snorkeling Goggles aim to please. Modest in price but boasting more than a fair share of features, this pair of water-wandering eyewear has been conveniently designed to fit a wide range of facial profiles, with comfort. This means that if your face is smaller or larger than the norm, then these anti-fog are likely to give you the snug fit you're after. Made from 100% surgical-grade silicone seal, you can wear this model knowing that your skin is encased in the finest quality materials while a one-piece quality lens looks after your eyes and enhances your underwater vision. With plenty of positive online reviews to back our appreciation for the Whale Anti-Fog, we simply have no gripes with this brand. You may also like to check our guide to the best snorkels. At number 2, we have the Kraken Aquatics Double Lens Snorkel Mask. Kraken Aquatics is doubling up with the introduction of their double lens snorkel mask. If their one-piece design didn't tickle your fancy, perhaps this one will. While this version does have a somewhat Darth Vader appeal to it and might not be the prettiest pair on shelves, what it lacks in aesthetics it makes up for in reliability and performance. Boasting the feisty features that the brand is renowned for, these Krakens will certainly give you value for your money, if not more. Weighing a mere 7 ounces, these goggles look heavier than they feel. With their ultra-lightweight, a soft silicone finishing, and a leak-proof seal, you'll be well taken care of. And finally at number 1, we have the Supertrip Snorkeling and Freediving Mask. Easy on the pocket but reliable enough for both snorkeling and freediving, this practical Supertrip Snorkeling and Freediving Mask is great if you are looking for a mask that's suitable for the whole family, young and old alike. Slightly smaller in size than other models, these goggles are great for kids and adults with medium-sized faces. While they are only available in 2 colors, black and blue, this brand is less concerned with appeal and pays more attention to functionality and convenience. Equipped with an adjustable snag-free head strap and a leak-proof soft silicone skirt, you can swim in comfort while the crystal-clear tempered safety glass gives you a 180 degrees panoramic sea view. You might also be happy to discover that these Supertrips are made from environment-friendly food-grade silicone. A perfect option for those who have sensitive skin. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.